Ready to make a splash with your fitness routine? Swimming is your secret weapon. Whether you're a fitness newbie or a seasoned athlete, swimming has you covered. It's a full-body workout that targets every muscle group from your shoulders to your calves. And the best part? It's low impact. No joint pain, just gain. Picture this. A 30-minute swim burns almost as many calories as running without the sweat. It's cardio and strength training rolled into one. You're not just moving through water, you're building endurance, boosting your heart health, and sculpting lean muscle. But wait, there's more. Swimming also improves flexibility. The range of motion required extends your limbs and opens up your joints. Plus, the water resistance acts like a natural weight, making you stronger with each stroke. Feeling stressed? Dive in. Swimming is a proven stress buster. The rhythmic strokes and steady breathing calm your mind and release those feel-good endorphins. It's like a mini vacation every time you hit the pool. And for those hot summer days or chilly winter months, there's an indoor pool waiting for you. Swimming is versatile and accessible year-round. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your goggles, hit the pool, and transform your body with every lap. Remember, the water is your playground and your fitness ally. Now go make some waves.